Today I'm using the Wagtail Slipstream Plus, but this is a modded. This is my clone gliding strip, but I love this concept because you could mop it in with just a sponge and just use it like a one pass. All right, or and you can get a good amount of windows with this, or you could I'm not going to clean that one again. Or you have the option as a backup to use this. You feel me? So this is nice, man. I didn't realize this could be just as fast. But see, when you hook that up with water, now you're really talking. But I've been using that the other one pass without the flick pad, but it does add a nice little feature to your tool, having both, the best of both worlds. You have a mop when you need it. Yeah, that's bronze wool pad in the center for heavy debris. But I got through that inside like you wouldn't believe. Now, one thing I did notice is that this tool is a lot heavier with this mop on here compared to just using a regular one pass. I didn't realize how much weight this thing has now, and I really feel it when I'm using it. I mean, it's still light compared to having a regular T-bar mop, or having a Mormon flick, as much water as that thing holds. But you try to use that tool in your hand and you're not used to it, trust me, you gonna feel it. You gonna feel it all day, every day. But you get used to it. It's just like muscle memory, and anything you do more than once, you become accustomed to it. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I love this tool, man. You talking about gliding like butter. You know what I mean? You talking about gliding like butter. This tool glides like butter. Not parquet, baby. Butter. Bam! Look at that. Nasty. Bam! Look at that. You see, I can go 100 times. Not really, but y'all know what I mean. All right. Stay toasty, my friends, because it's getting quite nippy out. I'm talking about like Jack Frost nippy, Kris Kringle nippy. But this is Masters at Wagtail. Today I got some de-icing solution in my lines, man. I got some de-icing solution in my lines. But yeah, I'll still be working like this all through the dead of winter on the coldest of days. I blow people's minds the way I work. They be like, man, how could you work with no bucket in this freezing temperature like this? Man, that's working smart. Lugging a 5-gallon bucket around in the cold weather, dealing with that. See, my hands never get wet in the wintertime working this way. And that's just beautiful. Marvelous, simply marvelous, darling.